Now we're going to explore cost to quickly analyze where the differences between version 1 and version 2 are in a more graphical way. So while I was building the cost plan, I saved a snapshot after each level that I added, and by doing that I made sure that the cost went up every time, because that is the typical scenario. The cost never goes down, going from cost plan version to cost plan version 1 to version 2. And with the cost explorer, I can then start to explore where the differences are. Substructure went from 88 to 92%. So in here I can see where the variance is, and of course the pit wall turns out to be quite a difference between version 1 and version 2. I have filter selected active, and I have defined these cost range settings, which of course can be changed if I want to use 115% to be too high. I can change that dynamically here, depending on what was agreed on with the project team. When I select the latest version, I get the cost information here, and using the navigation tools, I can then expand and see where the differences are between the box and the circle. So the cost per unit was here 118, and it went up to, let's see, 140. So that's what's causing, or that's part of the cause of this going from 107 to 114. As soon as you've finished the version, you always want to be able to share the cost information using a report or using an Excel file. So what I did is I used some templates. This one for whites that was shared with Angela, I believe, earlier. Quickly grabs all the cost information from the project and generates the report, which can then be saved as PDF, HTML, all of these file formats. What you can also do is include a graph, which always gets good feedback if we show that. So using the cost information, you can select which level of the cost hierarchy you want to use to generate a graph. In this case, I selected level 1 of the cost structure, and that helps you to then quickly see where in the project the larger share of the cost is located. So obviously that is the superstructure in this case, or the shell rather. In the report editor, you can change the type of graph. So opening that, let's see. Oh. Opening the report editor, when you click on the graph and then this little arrow over here, you can click on the Run Wizard and show how many types of graphs there's possible in this report editor.